So this is an Era Fortress. It has 6 pins, security pins, and 6 trap pins. 3 over here, and 3 over here. I'm gonna try to pick it 360. So the top pins aren't really that bad. Trap pins can be a pain. 1. So click on 2. Or I reset that because something wasn't right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna switch to it. Oh yeah, this is my Lawlox Tools Scimitar. I was just using that to get under the lower set pins, and then I'm just gonna switch to this. I don't know exactly what profile that is. Maybe a reach, something from Lawlox Tools. 3. 4. 6. All right. So we got the top done. I'm gonna try something and see if it works. I don't really think it's gonna work though. Well, I don't know. It might. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get this Cobra Instruments. It didn't work, but that's all right. I didn't plan on that working. So, all right. Now, just ease this back a little. 2, 3. So I just got to make sure I'm on the correct pins here. Alright, so 1. Oh, that was it. There we go. I got 1, or I had 2, and then I dropped 1, and I might have. Isn't that how it always works out? So there's 1. There's a sweet spot where you can set the core kind of, and then just they'll stay, but I'm not having a good time finding it at the moment. Get 2. Let's see if we can get 3. I know which one it is. Just to make sure I'm on the right pin. And it wasn't even on the right pin. It's alright. We'll get it. Maybe. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. Alright. So, 2, 3. Alright. There we go. Okay, so I know that kind of took a second, sorry, but so now I'm going to take the tubular lockpick. I'm going to try to fill the bottom of the core with it. Oh, that's alright. That's just those. That's not. Okay, make sure I got it. Oh, and did I catch it? I caught it, I think. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. There we go, I got it though. So now, geez, now the video is gonna get hard, huh? Two. Yeah, now the video's gonna get hard. There we go. Alright, so that's the Aerofortress PIC 360.